So for letters A through F, easiest way to do is to draw a picture. So we're going to draw a picture first of 1. So y is always equal to 1 when x is less than or equal to negative 1. Okay, so we're going to have a horizontal line going to the left. It is then the line negative x from negative 1 to 0. So that is a linear line. And notice that I have an open circle on 0 because there's no line underneath 0. Then I'm going to have, when x is equal to 1, it's 1, so I'm going to have a dot. And from 0 to 1, the line continues going, so it's going to be going down. And then finally it's equal to 1 when it's x greater than 1. So notice I have open circles and closed circles. So that kind of makes it easier to find the limit. The first one is the limit of negative 1 as I come from the left. So here's negative 1. So as I come from the left to negative 1, my limit is going to be 1. Same thing if I come from negative 1 from the left, it's also 1. So now the limit as x goes to 0 from the left, so here's 0, as I come from the left, it's going to equal 0. And if I come from the right, it's also equal to 0. So now 1, as I come from the left, the limit is negative 1, but as I come from the right, the limit is 1. So G asks, does the limit exist? So at x equals negative 1, the limit does exist because when I come from the left and when I come from the right, they're the same. So the right hand and the left hand limit are equal. At x equals to 0, it would also exist because the left hand and the right hand limit exist. At x equals to 1, it would be no, it does not exist because the left hand and right hand limits do not exist. For h is asking if it's continuous. Well, at x equals to negative 1, it is continuous because the limit exists and the point is equal to the limit and the point exists. Okay. For x equals to 0, it does not continuous because the limit is not equal to the point. Notice that f of 0 would be 1, but the limit as x goes to 0 is 0. And that would be considered a removable. At x equals to 1, it would be no because the limit does not exist. So that would be considered a jump.